Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to fix Microsoft Store apps not opening. If your Microsoft Store apps are not opening, there are several troubleshooting steps you can take to troubleshoot the issue. Here's a comprehensive guide. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve issues with apps not opening. Another method, make sure your Windows operating system is up to date. To check if it's updated, go to the settings, Windows Update, then check for updates or install the available updates. Next method, incorrect date and time settings can cause issues with the Microsoft Store and its apps. To correct this issue, go to Settings, Time and Language, Date and Time. Ensure that Set Automatically and Set Time Zone Automatically are enabled. Another method, resetting the cache, can resolve many issues. Press Win+R to open the Run dialog. Tap the code and press Enter. Another method, if the above steps don't work, try reinstalling the Microsoft Store using PowerShell. Right-click on Start, then Windows PowerShell Admin. Type the following command and press Enter. Lastly, if all else fails, you might need to reset your PC. To do this, go to the Settings, Update and Security, Recovery, Reset this PC. Choose whether to keep your files or remove everything. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.